Hello, my name is Theresa, and I would like to invite you to sit back and relax and enjoy the Ho'oponopono meditation. So let's prepare for meditation. And just let yourself relax into your regular meditation posture. And we're going to use the Ho'oponopono technique to reconnect us with that love that's right there within the heart of our being. And in order to move deep into the heart of our being, we're going to clean away all of that grime that has been holding us separate from the perfection, the radiance of that love that is within us. So right now, all of your awareness is within your physical body. And I'd like you to scan through your body, through your mind's eye. Just move through your body, looking for any areas of pain or discomfort. Any areas that are the cause of criticism and judgment within yourself. And then look deep within that part of your body. See that cloud of judgment and criticism, that cloud of pain, suffering, discomfort. And then look through that cloud and say the words, "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for whatever has been the cause of my criticism or judgment that has caused the pain, the ache, the suffering in this part of my body. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you." Directing the energy of these words towards this part of your body. And see these energies of Ho'oponopono cleaning, like cleaning the mirror, shiny and new, so that you can see through to the inherent goodness and beauty that exists underneath the cloud of judgment and criticism. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. The energy is like a warm, soothing balm, softening, relaxing, letting go. Moving to the next part of your body that calls your attention. See the dark cloud of judgment and criticism, anger or hatred, sitting over that part of your body. And we clean away this cloud. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Forgiving ourselves for our ignorance. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. To the next part of your body. Keep moving through your body, stopping at those areas that have been the cause of pain, dis-ease, anger, hatred. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. All of our memories from all of our experiences are stored here within the body. Allow the body to reveal what is ready to be cleansed and purified. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. All of our emotions, the emotional reactions that we have that keep us separate from who we truly are. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Our mind, all of our habitual negative thoughts about ourselves. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Cleansing and purifying our thoughts. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. As any negative thought arises, we cleanse it immediately by recognizing it's not the truth. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. And then allowing yourself to move deep within your heart, deeper and deeper. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Deeper and deeper into the radiant light focused within your heart. You may see the reflection of your higher spiritual self, perhaps as an angelic presence, a radiant being with their arms outstretched, waiting to embrace you, to welcome you home within the heart of your being. Let yourself fall into these arms of love and experience the love of your divine self. This one knows everything there is to know about you, and they love you completely, unconditionally. Open your heart. Let go. And be within this sea of unconditional love. Nothing is expected from you. And then bring this expanded awareness of the love that is within you all the way back And allow this love to shower through the whole of your body like sparkling blue-white light, showering down through the crown of your head, all the way down into every cell of your body. And then radiating outwardly from you. This is who you are. And taking a moment to express gratitude for all that you are. Gratitude for this amazing body that carries you through life. And gratitude for all of your family and friends. Gratitude for life itself. Even though it has presented many twists and turns, you are becoming stronger and more powerful because of it. And anchoring the light, the love, and the power of this meditation into every cell of your being through the sounding of the Om. So be it, and so it is, relaxing your focus and opening your eyes when you're ready.